How's it going, Guru Nation? Waiting on an equipment calibration vendor to come in for my new clinic here in Yuma, Arizona. In the meantime, I got a question from somebody on YouTube who asked what salary they should be asking for their hospital, university, medical, emergency medical research team. So this person has a bachelor's degree, a year of experience in wet lab research, a year as a tech coordinator for psych and emergency medicine, amongst other things. They're requiring him, I assume him, sorry if it's a she, they're requiring them to work nights and weekends in an emergency unit clinical research team. So here's what I know. These kind of studies have big budgets, but you are in an academic medical setting. You can find salaries fairly easily because these are large employers. So you can find salaries very fairly easily for your company. You can probably use like internal things too to look for the salaries, but if not, go to Glassdoor, go to Indeed, and just see. You should be definitely getting paid on the high end of a clinical research coordinator salary. Why? Emergency medicine is tough. Not everyone can do it. Not everyone can be a good coordinator for emergency medicine. It does require some experience that you do have working in emergency medicine. It also requires experience working in clinical research, which you also have. It also requires working nights and weekends, which you're willing to do. Not many people check all those boxes. So this is a lesson not just for you, but for everyone out there. Know your value, know the job, know the position in the context of the greater industry. Try to get a approximation of budgets. Generally, the more complex a study is, and the more difficult it is to get patients for that study or studies, the higher the budgets will be. That means those coordinators that work on those studies, if they are experienced and they do have merit for that, should demand higher salaries than their peers that are not working on those kind of studies. So know your worth, know your value, know your skill set, know the context that you're in. Emergency medicine is tough. Emergency medicine and clinical research is tough. Working like night shifts is tough. Working weekends is tough. I would say, depending on where you are in the country, the high end of a typical coordinator salary at your organization, probably like the highest tier. So I'm guessing 70K a year. Of course, depending on where you're located. That'd be my guess. If you can go higher, I would ask for 80. But 70K I think would be fair for this kind of position with your experience. Hopefully this works. Let me know how it works. Would love to interview you. At one point, never had emergency medicine clinical research coordinators on my channel, so would love to do that. Good luck. Talk to you soon.